The air inside Suzhou's high-tech park hums, not with the clang and clatter of old factories echoing through the city, but with the focused, almost meditative whir of machines building with light, layer by layer, shaping the future in real time. This facility feels more like a sci-fi set than a traditional workshop, with its spotless floors and rows of gleaming equipment. Sleek machines glow blue in the dim light, crafting intricate shapes from pools of liquid resin, as if conjuring objects from thin air. This is the heart of Suzhou's manufacturing revolution. Photopolymerization, a process that's changing how we think about making things. For centuries, we carved away at blocks of material, subtractive manufacturing, wasting time, energy, and precious resources with every chip and shaving. Now, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by microscopic layer, with astonishing precision and efficiency, minimizing waste and maximizing creativity. Suzhou, a city of ancient artisans and timeless beauty, is now a leader in this futuristic leap, blending tradition with innovation. Craftspeople have traded chisels for CAD files and laser beams, but the spirit of creation, the drive to shape and build, remains as strong as ever. Here, technology is redefining what it means to manufacture, from custom automotive parts to life-saving medical implants, all made with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Photopolymerization-based 3D printing isn't just a tool, it's a new mindset, opening doors to ideas that once seemed impossible. If you can design it, you can hold it in your hand within hours, turning imagination into reality faster than ever before. This promise fuels Suzhou's energy and innovation, attracting dreamers, engineers, and creators from across the globe. The city isn't just joining the next industrial revolution, it's leading it, setting new standards for the world to follow. The quiet hum of these machines is the sound of a new era being born, a symphony of progress echoing through Suzhou's corridors. In Suzhou, the future of making is happening right now, every day, on every factory floor. The transformation is real, visible in every corner of the city, and it's just beginning, with endless possibilities ahead. Welcome to the new age of manufacturing, where Suzhou stands at the forefront, shaping tomorrow with every innovation. Let's break it down. Photopolymerization means using light to turn liquid plastic into solid form. Imagine a vat of special resin, sensitive to ultraviolet light. A laser or projector shines on the resin, instantly hardening it wherever the light touches. Layer by layer, the object rises from the liquid, each slice fused to the last. This is called vat photopolymerization, with technologies like SLA and DLP leading the way. SLA uses a laser to trace each layer. DLP flashes an entire layer at once. The result? Complex, precise objects built almost silently from a pool of liquid. It's a process that feels like magic, but it's pure science. Light is the brush, resin the canvas, and the possibilities are endless. This is the elegant engine behind Suzhou's manufacturing revolution. Manufacturing used to mean roaring machines, flying sparks, and mountains of waste. The air was thick with the smell of oil and metal, and the constant clatter of heavy equipment filled every corner of the factory floor. Subtractive methods carved away at blocks, leaving behind piles of scrap. Every product started as a solid chunk, and most of it ended up as waste, swept away at the end of the day. Suzhou's new workshops are the opposite, clean, quiet, and efficient. Here, the hum of advanced machines replaces the old chaos, and the environment feels more like a laboratory than a factory. Additive manufacturing builds from nothing but a digital design, using only what's needed. Each layer is carefully placed, minimizing waste and maximizing precision. No more expensive molds or weeks-long waits for prototypes. Engineers can now move from idea to object in a fraction of the time, testing and refining as they go. Now you can print a part in hours, tweak the design, and print again. This flexibility means mistakes are just another step toward improvement, not costly setbacks. This rapid cycle fuels innovation and slashes costs. Companies can experiment more, take creative risks, and bring new products to market faster than ever before. The shift isn't just technical, it's philosophical. It's about reimagining what's possible when barriers to entry are lowered and creativity is unleashed. Manufacturing is now accessible to small teams and startups, not just industrial giants. Anyone with a vision and a digital file can create, test, and launch their ideas. Suzhou is embracing this model, moving from noisy, wasteful factories to agile, smart production. The city is transforming its industrial landscape, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The city is setting a new standard for how things are made. Its factories are becoming showcases for the world, demonstrating what the future can look like. The future of manufacturing is precise, clean, and open to all. It's a world where quality and accessibility go hand in hand. The age of the maker has arrived. Collaboration and innovation are at the heart of this new era, empowering individuals and teams alike. And Suzhou is at its forefront, leading the way into a smarter, more sustainable future for manufacturing. In Suzhou's advanced hubs, 3D printing is a workhorse, not a novelty. Car designers can go from digital model to full-scale prototype in a day, refining interiors faster than ever. Custom jigs and fixtures are printed on demand, saving time and money on the assembly line. In healthcare, surgeons use 3D printed models of organs to plan and practice complex operations, improving outcomes. Custom-fit surgical guides help doctors operate with pinpoint accuracy. Small businesses and inventors benefit too. No need for massive investment to test new products. Entrepreneurs can print prototypes, test the market, and iterate quickly. On-demand production means less inventory and more customization. 3D printing lowers barriers, empowering anyone with an idea to create. Suzhou's ecosystem thrives on this accessibility and innovation. The playing field has never been more level. How does an idea become reality? Let's break down the fascinating journey from concept to creation, step by step. It all begins with a digital 3D model, carefully crafted in advanced CAD software, or sometimes scanned directly from a physical object to capture every detail. The designer then exports this model as an STL file, a format that precisely describes the object's geometry and structure for the next stage. Slicer software takes over, chopping the model into hundreds or even thousands of ultra-thin layers and generating G-code instructions that guide the printer's every move. The operator loads the chosen resin, carefully calibrates the printer platform for accuracy, and initiates the print process with a few clicks. The 3D printer then gets to work, building the object layer by layer, following the digital blueprint with incredible precision and consistency. When the printing is complete, the part emerges from the machine, still coated in excess resin that needs to be removed. It's then washed in an isopropyl alcohol bath, which dissolves and removes any uncured material clinging to the surface. A final UV curing step hardens and strengthens the part, ensuring it's ready for real-world use and long-lasting performance. The digital dream has now become a tangible, physical object you can hold in your hands. This streamlined process enables rapid prototyping and efficient production, transforming how products are developed and manufactured. From the spark of an idea to a finished product, the journey is now faster, more accessible, and more innovative than ever before. The barriers to making have truly fallen. Today, anyone with creativity and determination can bring their ideas to life. 3D printing isn't just cool tech, it's an economic powerhouse. The global additive manufacturing market is booming, and Suzhou is at the center. Massive investments from government and venture capital are fueling research, startups, and industrial parks. This creates a feedback loop. Investment drives innovation, which attracts more investment. High-skilled jobs are emerging: designers, engineers, technicians. Schools are training the next generation of experts. The culture of innovation is spreading, encouraging rapid prototyping and risk-taking. New products and businesses are born every day. Suzhou's growth is about more than machines. It's about people and ideas. The city is shaping the future of global manufacturing. 3D printing's superpowers are speed, freedom, and efficiency. Rapid prototyping means ideas become testable objects in hours, not weeks. Design freedom allows for shapes and structures impossible with traditional methods. Internal lattices make parts strong yet lightweight. Waste is minimal. Only the needed material is used. Customization is easy and affordable, whether making one part or 100. On-demand production eliminates the need for large inventories. The cost per part stays low, even for unique items. 3D printing empowers creativity and sustainability. It's changing what's possible in manufacturing. 3D printing isn't perfect. Challenges remain. Material choices are still limited compared to traditional manufacturing. Photopolymer resins are improving, but don't yet match the strength or durability of metals or some plastics. Printing speed is a bottleneck for mass production. Scaling up is still a work in progress. Quality control is tricky. Tiny errors can ruin a print. Ensuring consistency for critical parts is a major challenge, but these hurdles are opportunities for innovation. Engineers are developing faster printers, better materials, and smarter monitoring systems. The future holds multi-material printing and even larger-scale production. The momentum in Suzhou is unstoppable. The next breakthroughs are just around the corner. Suzhou's 3D printing revolution is reshaping our world. Manufacturing is becoming decentralized, flexible, and sustainable. Mass customization replaces mass production. Waste is minimized. Innovation accelerates as ideas turn into objects overnight. Suzhou is not just a factory, it's a laboratory for the future. Additive manufacturing supports a cleaner, more efficient economy. Local on-demand production reduces environmental impact. The city is laying the foundation for the next industrial age. Digital design and physical making merge seamlessly. Creativity is the new limit, and anyone can be a maker. The journey is just beginning, layer by layer. The future of manufacturing is being printed before our eyes.